you can change the font pairing, like customize your design with typography, and you can always fine tune it later, so don't worry about that. And this is something like they have Roboto. Later how you want to show on your site, Chivo and OpenSea and Playfair also. So I am taking this one Camel, and now I am doing continue. Okay, so they're saying which feature will you need: custom domain, shop, search engine tools. So we need search engine tools. Okay, so I am clicking this one, and image storage also. And I don't need ad free, because if you need ad free, so you just want to buy something prime, so we don't require that one. And yeah, and then continue with this. They're saying, well, select a plan. Okay, so you can select a plan, but we are doing free this one, so we are not going to select anything. Pick a plan that's right for you. There is no risk. You can cancel your annual plan for full refund within 14 days. So we are going with free. So yeah, so here you have option with free, so I am clicking this one. And this have a 3 GB storage space, and if you want to personal, that is $4. If you want to premium, so that require $8, and e-commerce $45. And I am taking this one, and we want to create a beautiful, simple and websites. Okay, so they are just building your site. So yeah, this is the home page of this Nile.e-commerce. One more thing I want to add here, that is you can always change your pages, and you can customize always whenever you want. So yeah, this is the good feature here in our WordPress. So for that reason, many of the people always try to use WordPress. They're saying, welcome to WordPress, continue to with this short tool to learn the fundamental of the WordPress system. So we will skip this one because we know already what is the fundamental of it. This is the home page, and if you want to change this site, means you want to change this picture, so of course you can change here. Hi, so we are taking here, we are changing here, so we can write hi. We are Nile Commerce, you can buy anything from here. So yeah, we can change from here. Hi, welcome to the Nile. Yeah, you can change anything, by the way. Welcome to Nile Commerce. Okay, so we can we can remove this one and add your something what you want. So yeah, we welcome to Nile Commerce, and then we can add some tagline like a shop save time and shop online, like that something. So yeah, I am writing as a tagline of the company, save time and shop online. Okay, so this is our tagline, and if we want to get in touch, so here is just something you can remove this one if you want, like otherwise you can write some, if there is a, you can add some link like that if you want to your people to go any other place, so you can add your URL here, like I am adding here nilecommerce.blogspot.com. so yeah, nilecommerce.blogspot.com. Copy this one from here and paste here. Okay, so I am pasting here, and now this is I am adding here. Okay, so cool. Get in touch if anyone touching this one, that they will go directly from your page. And here is something like a Facebook, so I am going to Facebook and getting from their links where to go. So facebook.com. now I can get from here the Facebook page of that Nile. So yeah, here is the pages which I have. See more, Bymart, because basically Bymart is also subsidiary of the Nile, so we can use this one. Bymart India is www, and this one. So I copying here from it and then paste here. Okay, sorry, this one. So I am deleting this one, editing this one, and then pasting this and embed this one here. Okay, so cool. So this is home, and hi, the welcome the Nile Commerce, save time and save shop online. And now I can change this one, this picture. Okay, so replace here, just say replace here, and you can upload from computer. So upload I am taking, and here we have picture of that logo of the companies. So here I have Nile, I am taking this one, and yeah, so this is showing here Nile is a Nile. Yeah, okay, cool, looking good. Yeah, so okay, after this you have down here something, I think nothing is there. Okay, so that's so good. This is the home, can add. Okay, so basically we are going to launch this side. Okay, if you want to preview this one, so you can preview like how is looking like. So this side is look like this. Okay, hi, welcome to Nile Commerce and save time and shop on this. This side is going to look like this. Okay, if you want to change something, you can change always. There is no anything problem, so you cannot change, you can always change. So this is look like something, and now we are going to launch this side. So you just click launch, and automatically that side will be available. Okay, you can do something more as here, like we can change something, like if we want a Nile uh, shop and anything like that, so we can change. I'm going to change here site created. Okay, and now name your site, you can change here. This is a site icon, I mean logo. So we are changing this one Nile. Now you can rotate also, as you can flip here from there, and then tick done, and the name of the site Nile dot in site tagline. So we have a tagline, save time and shop online, save time and shop online. Okay, commerce shop online, shop online. So this is we can write this one capital letter, save time shop online. Okay, so this is everything what we have. Now here you can upgrade from here. I mean, if you want a custom site, so you can add a custom site here. Site address is here, save setting Nile.in. The site name is save setting, and then you have a this one is setting. So here you have a setting saved successfully, good. And now from here you can look your performance. So you have a Jetpack site accelerator come built in the WordPress, and you can add business plan, as well as if you want to run a personal website, so you can run as a personally, and if you want to business plan, you can write from there. This is discussion form, and now we are going to set anything else. So here Nile's Commerce. Now you want to edit something, you can edit from here. So we are basically want to edit some more features. So yeah, let's see what is going to happen. Now your site is everything good. If you want to change something, like here you want to change your Instagram page, otherwise any other things you can change. Otherwise here you can have some blocks, so you can add a paragraph, image, heading, quote, list, gallery. I want to add some code here. So I am going to LinkedIn because there is a company page there on the LinkedIn, so I will pick from there and just add on the website, so it is more visible for everyone. So yeah, here we have see all my pages, and then I am going to Nile e-commerce page notification page. So here is this, and after that I am copying from here and just going to paste on the website so it look good. Yeah, I am copying from here, copy here and then paste on the website. So here this is not HTML. Otherwise you can do one more thing, like view as a member. So I will take some page view and then post there. So I am saying post, looking here posts, and then here is some post, best place to buy anything, and online now on Nike. So this is the embedded store, you can embed from here and copy this code and just go and the paste here. I am searching here HTML, so here is HTML, custom HTML, you can paste here. I am pasting here, and yeah, then nothing to require to do, and just automatic it will save as site. So I am saying here launch, confirm your domain. So here is this default. So I am clicking this one, confirm your plan. So we are not taking premium, not any other thing, so we are taking free plan. So free plan, and then launch your site. Okay, they are showing already your site will be live shortly. So yeah, of course your site will be live automatically. So this is our site. Okay, you can copy this link and then paste here. So basically this is the website which I have something. Now I am a nilecommerce.wordpress.com. so this is something looking like our site. Okay, blog@wordpress.com, get in touch and everything like that. So this is our site. Okay, if you want to something change here, so you can change from here, like continue editing, click and edit here, something like that. We have editing, we can edit anything. So yeah, we can edit, like we can add st custom editing, and there here this one it will post, and this is not showing by some problem is occur. So yeah, you can make like basic site like this is looking like, you can view. So this is something look like a Nile. Hi, welcome to Nile Commerce, and say thanks of online and get in touch. And this is like that one, this is basically you can say one page site. Okay, I hope you like this video, and yeah, this video is powered by the DTG. Thanks for watching.